Just look at that. Do squirrels hate us? I don't believe it. So, guys, squirrels ate my corn, even though that wasn't ready to be picked. So we're just gonna get rid of all of it and start our fall garden. See here at Andrew's Veggie Patch, we don't let anything take us down. We move right on to the next thing. Guys, when I was at camp, I saw these all the time. But don't worry, it's just the shell. And now the best part is that you can do this. Now it's gone. Okay guys, it's done. Up next, cauliflowers. Oh, this walking made me thirsty. Okay, so guys, in the first row we got Savoy cabbage. Savoy cabbage. Then we got some cauliflower. Then we just got some normal cabbage. Not Savoy cabbage, just normal cabbage. So let's start planting. And then we have some sprouts to do. Brussels sprouts. Yeah, so we got some Brussels sprouts that me and my mom absolutely love. So I'm gonna be loving that. Okay, time for the second one. Pour it down. Well, that's the cabbage. In you go. And that's all. Okay, so guys, you saw it all. The squirrels had a plan for corn, but that didn't stop me. So we just planted our fall garden. That's what you do. If squirrels get to your corn, don't let them stop you, because you can always just like whip it up if the squirrels got it, and then just plant new stuff. Because as you can see, that's what I did. You're probably wondering why we're putting this stuff over it. So first, this white cloth, that's so the moths can't get to it, because they like to lay their eggs on our plants. Yeah, but that won't stop us from doing it. Then the black one, this is a shade one, so they don't get too much sun. So it's kind of just like if we plant them in the shade. Yeah. use these clips to, to clip them and to keep them on. There we go. That ain't going nowhere. Ta-da! Look, nothing getting in this bad boy of security. Okay guys, so the shade cloth will just stand for a couple days, and we are now calling this the moth cloth because it keeps away moth. So this will stand for ever until the plants are all done and we can eat them. So these are our kohlrabis, and over here is our broccoli. Okay guys, so me and Bob the tomato wanna say thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. Oh, this water made me thirsty.